Free in the sky above, free for you and me. Free is where you find yourself, free from morning until night. It's time to fly away from the nest, time to go somewhere new. It's time to find new pastures, different new opportunities and improvement. Signal freedom, relocate your circumstances, take a chance on me. It's just no idea, richer, greener, finding herdsman is just livestock. So find greener pastures, explore, consider, promise, path and light. Free in the sky above, free for you and me. Free is where you find yourself, free from morning until night. I'm breathe and feel as a bird in the sky above. Not like other is the best thing to do, to fly the skies, be wise, be good, be free as a bird in the sky. No time to waste, get up and go, it's getting late. Getting from where get dry, take off your coat and sit down. You home dry now, just slow it down. You're no longer hummingbird, your wings will carry you for miles. Stay away from praying cats, settle down. Become comfortable and quiet, long-term lifestyle. Free in the sky above, free for you and me. And free is where you find yourself, free from morning until night. Hummingbird, what has happened here? What about our life we knew before? Where's all that gone no more? Did you really thought to live without me in it? Did you give that up for a cheap penny? Did you sell me out by a messy pile of dirt? Can't really go without each other. Love nowhere near enough, sufficiently close to us. So old touch is gone with time, like morning fall. Just look around, there's walls, too much went on here. Some memory forgotten, rotten for jazz, approximate and gone. It meant a lot to me, this whole saga makes me ill inside of me. Just slow it down, I'm ready to fly again. Takes my last flight from her, think about to be my bird again. Free in the sky above, free for you and me. Free is where you find yourself, free from morning until night. I'm gonna be free as hummingbird. I'm fling away, I'm fling home drews. Is the second best thing that I can think of in a spare moment here. One could say farewell, good wishes on your end. If you take care of yourself. Be free around you, be free for her to stay from parting for more. What has to happen to make change in us to do something else? I don't speak French, by the way, just throwing out there. But I know well, second language to make a change. I could be someone you want again. We all change in the end, to be or not to be. Free as a bird in the sky, take the sky and fly. Free in the sky above.